Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a review of San BQ5T nail lamp. Yeah, the model I guess it's Easkep. That's what it was written online. I bought it online, and this is how it looks. It comes in this square box, and it's actually really tiny. Yeah. So when you open the box, this is how it is presented. Forgive me, I already tampered with it a bit because I had to confirm it's the lamp is inside, but yeah, this is how it comes. um Let me remove the lamp. It is wrapped in this soft bag. Yeah. And yeah, let's remove the contents of the box. So yeah, this is how the box looks like. It's like a square and has the picture of the lamp on top, and on the sides I'm trying to fit this on the screen. uh well um that's it, the features. And if you like to read in details, you can just post that and read it for yourself. So yeah, that's one side. This other side, it was a little bit botched. I'm hoping it didn't interfere with the lamp. And the other side, more details of the lamp and the make and the model, so you can post that as well and read for yourself if you want to. I bought this lamp online, so it's my first time seeing it as well. And yeah, so the next thing is the adapter. It's wrapped in this like bubble wrap. Yeah, and it has a cord attached to it. It's not removable. So yeah, I think this is a European model type of plug, or I guess you can specify if you need a different type. There's a USA one, I think. Yeah, but I didn't specify. Mine just came with that one. Yeah. The next thing is the manual. It's written the instructions on how to use the lamp, and also I have the product quality warranty down there. In case you have issues with the product, you can return it and you need to have that warranty. Yeah. So the last thing, obviously, last but not least, is the lamp, and I'm going to unwrap it. Yeah, it has a beautiful exterior, like a dome shaped exterior, and it has this 4 timer, 99 seconds, which is low power mode, then the 60, 30 and 10 seconds. So yeah, that's the model, the San BQ5T 120 watts nail lamp. So that's the exterior, and it has this handle, like a little light plastic. That's how it looks. It's really shiny, and yeah, it looks beautiful. And it's also light as well. Yeah, this lamp is really light. The lamp also has a detachable base, so you just detach the base like that in case you need to clean it. That's how the base looks, and it has like these 4 magnetic poles that attach to the cover. So yeah, and the cover, on the inside of the cover, you have this beautiful spread LEDs. As you can see, they're in groups of 3 on either sides, and they really look pretty and spread really nicely on the sides and in the middle area, the center, and across. Yeah, so in total there are 36 beads, LEDs, and it also has like this sensor, smart sensor, like when you place your hand right in, it senses and the lamp lights up. So the sensors are placed on the bottom part. This is it. I'm trying to focus it. That one right there, that's one of the sensors, and the other one is on the other end. So yeah, when you place your hand right in, the lamp will light by itself, and that's how the beads look on the inside. Yeah, so When you want to assemble it, just place the cover on top of those 4 poles and it's going to be assembled. Really simple. This is the back part. This is the part where you like put in your plug when you want to use the lamp. That's the part right there. As you can see, it's easily accessible. It's just the back part, you can easily access it. So yeah, that's how the lamp looks on the back, and it's really pretty. Yeah, the lamp really looks tiny, but the interior is like really spacious. Like you can place both of your hands at the same time. If in case you're in a hurry or you want to cure both hands at the same time, you can place both hands. And also, yeah, spacious for one hand users as well. So yeah, that's how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in so that we can see how it lights up. Yeah, let me plug it in. So yeah, once you plug it in, those digits 000 they appear on the screen, and yeah, that's how it looks when it's plugged in. And those 4 buttons, actually it's a touch screen, so you don't press anything, you just touch of a button. Yeah, as you can see, I touched the 10 seconds button and it's doing a countdown. Yeah, so yeah, when you touch the button, it just does a countdown to 0. So the 10 seconds starting from 10, 30 starts from 30. The next one, which is 60, yeah, begins from 60. The last button is actually the low power mode, which is 99 seconds, and as you can see, when you like touch it, it begins from 1. Now let's see if it has a smart preset mode. Of course, I touched the 10-second button. I want to place my hand right in and see if it will record and start counting from 10. Well, as you can see, it doesn't have the like a smart preset mode, so I guess each time you have to like cure or want to use the lamp, you just have to specify the duration that you want, because it doesn't have that smart preset mode. But as you can see, the sensor is really like fast. Like once you place your hands right in, it just senses and it lights up, so it is really good. And the color is like a light purple, which is really pretty. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to also watch my next video, which I'm going to do a gel polish review on this lamp and how it works. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Goodbye.